Pakistan's power struggle just took a dramatic turn. Jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan is now set to leave prison, but not for freedom. Pakistan's Supreme Court has ordered that the 73-year-old former premier be shifted from jail to a hospital in Islamabad after mounting concerns over his deteriorating health. And for Khan's supporters, this is a major breakthrough after months of demanding proper medical treatment. The court has directed authorities to move Khan to Shifa International Hospital within 48 hours. He is expected to remain there until September 16th, while a specially constituted medical panel assesses and treats him. And this will not be an ordinary medical team. The court has ordered specialists, including a cardiologist, a general medicine expert, an eye specialist, as well as Khan's personal physician. That eye specialist is particularly significant. Khan's lawyers and family have repeatedly raised concerns about his eyesight, with claims that he suffered substantial vision loss in his right eye while behind bars. His family has also raised broader concerns over his health and access to doctors of his choice. Now Pakistan's top court has stepped in. Justice Shahid Wahid, who headed the three-member bench, said the order was being issued with Khan's fundamental right to health and safety in mind, and that decision is a serious embarrassment for a government that has kept the former prime minister behind bars since August 2023, because Imran Khan's imprisonment has never been just a legal story. It has been at the center of Pakistan's biggest political battle in years. Khan was removed from power in 2022 after losing a parliamentary no-confidence vote. Since then, he has faced more than 100 legal cases. Several convictions have followed, while some have been suspended, overturned, or remain under appeal. Khan denies wrongdoing and has repeatedly described the cases against him as politically motivated. His supporters, meanwhile, have continued to demand his release. And today's hospital order could give his political movement fresh ammunition. Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, or PTI, welcomed the Supreme Court decision, but said it should have happened much earlier. The party has also appealed to supporters not to gather outside the hospital, in line with the court's directions. There has been no immediate government response to the order, and that silence is striking. Because this is not just about one prisoner's medical treatment. This is about a former prime minister who remains one of Pakistan's most politically powerful figures, despite being behind bars for 3 years. His sons Qasim and Sulaiman, who live in Britain, have also raised concerns about their father's condition. They say they have not seen him since 2022 because they have been unable to obtain visas to Pakistan. Qasim has now said that his father's health is all that matters, while urging the government to follow the court's orders and allow the family to see him. And remember what happened when Khan was first arrested in May 2023. His arrest triggered some of Pakistan's most violent political unrest in years. Supporters attacked government buildings and military installations, leading to a massive crackdown. Since then, every major development surrounding Khan's imprisonment has carried the potential to reignite political tensions. Now the country's Supreme Court has effectively ordered the government to take him out of prison and place him under specialist medical care. But make no mistake, this is not a release. Khan remains imprisoned. The hospital transfer is specifically for medical assessment and treatment, with the court setting September 16th as the current endpoint for his hospital stay. Yet politically, the optics are explosive. A man who has spent years fighting Pakistan's establishment from behind prison walls is now being moved under a direct order from the country's highest court. And that raises the question, is this simply a medical intervention? Or could it become the next flashpoint in Pakistan's never-ending power struggle? For now, one thing is certain. Imran Khan is leaving his prison cell, not as a free man, but as Pakistan's Supreme Court steps in to address the health crisis surrounding one of the country's most consequential political figures.